good with y'all? What's good? We back with another video. Y'all see I'm taking in from the track, man. I'm about to go get it in out here. And I'm gonna hit y'all with a ride racing today. I think we got that going on. I gotta go talk to Chris and all that. I'm gonna show y'all the car and all that. I got the fam with me today. What y'all got going on? You ain't talking today? Yes, she is. What you got going on, Tina?
All I got going on is gymnastics. We're gonna be going on Monday.
That's all you talking about. You got your work cut out.
Yes.
So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go walk the pitch, get it in a little bit, y'all. We're gonna see what's happening. Then I'm about to go catch some racing and all that too. So y'all make sure to go slide over to the main channel and check that out. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm checking in with y'all out here in the staging lane. I guess I'm show y'all some of the cars or whatever that they got going on today. Like I said, you want to see the video, you just slide over to my main channel, check that out. But matter of fact, let me get Chris on here, man, cause you know he don't mind talking, man. Chris, what we doing today?
Hey,
the Goblin, man. Y'all seen him on my main channel.
Hey man, I'm gonna whoop me some ass today. I'm tired of these folks playing with me. Hey, you just stay tuned, because this Goblin is about to put in some work. You hear me? It's over with today.
Yeah.
I did not come to play with you.
I told y'all he gonna say so, man. We got the camera on the car. But y'all, it's on sick rides out here. You know, you got the Mustang, first round, Nitro, got a Demon. There's a lot of stuff out here. So I'm just taking y'all through the staging lane. Like I said, y'all want to see the racing footage, just go on my main channel and everything, check it out. But they got some bad cars out here, man. They got some bad rides, y'all. Turbo. They got nitrous, everything. G8 out here, G-body, the whole 9 pack. I'm gonna start doing. What up? Showing everybody love, man. We out here on the vlog channel. So look, man, they got some of everything out here. Like I said, G8 is everything. This thing run good too. So y'all want to see these things in action, go to the main channel, J-Mav 2004. Y'all know that the vlog channel. I'm trying to get the ride racks for y'all today too. It depends on how everything map out. We got a LS Mustang over there, and it's just packed. So I got to get to it though, y'all. I got to get to it. They call them the class. So I'm finna turn the GoPro on, get down there and start back filming, and I'll catch y'all in a minute.
Now it looks like it might be a sleeper. Factory Street, Modified Street, 739, second round. Factory Street, Modified Street, second round. First round.
Y'all see it, still getting it in, man. I see that G8 padded on them, boy. This thing, they riding out here, y'all. They getting down, so it's a pack house out here, still getting it in. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I might bring y'all some more cars or whatever. It getting real out here, so y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all see it packed. stacked out here. Catch y'all in a minute.
Alright, what's good with y'all? I'm back, man. We back at the house. A little short vlog, man. It ain't nothing spectacular, but I'm trying to give y'all some footage or whatever. Give y'all something to watch, you know, keep y'all entertained. A good day at the track today. So it was lit. It was lit, man. No prep event. Got to talk to a lot of people as usual, man. Appreciate everybody watching the videos and stuff. The boxes is coming back. The video after this one, I should have oil pressure, cause tomorrow, which will be Sunday, but y'all watching this on Sunday. So today, the day you're watching this, I'm turning wrenches on the car right now. And I should have oil pressure. At least that's my plan. That's my attack plan. But anyhow, if I have oil pressure, y'all will see as the title, cause I drop a video after this one. But yeah, like I said, I just try to give y'all a track vlog, man. A little interaction with the people and all of that. Like I said, man, good event, good day. Had the family with me today, man. Even though the kids just pretty much chilled out in the back of wifey SUV, they think it's a camper. They think it's a camper and all of that. But you know, like I said, a little short little vlog. Trying to think of everything I gotta update y'all on. Dolo is still coming, man. I don't know for sure date on it, but it's coming. I mean, it's getting worked. John Jones coming too. I wish I could give y'all certain dates, but I can't. I really can't right now. All I can really give you dates and time frames on is meats or whatever. Cause I'm turning wrenches on meat. So meats coming back. I plan on bringing it back with the 8s, on the 8s or whatever, and all of that. And then y'all gonna see me in the road, in the street, start giving y'all some actual action footage and some knowledge too on the gears and the rims and correlation and stock motor and all this stuff, all that good stuff, man. But I'm trying to make sure I fill y'all in on everything. When I get my cars back, I will be doing a private test session, just to get the footage for y'all. I've been playing this since last year. I'm gonna do a private test session, but I didn't want to do it, and I had one of my cars, not the other. So when I do it, I want to have the box and John Jones. I want to have Dolo and John Jones. I want to have Dolo on rims, cause I'm running on rims, and I want to have John Jones on the radials, cause that's the whole purpose of the test session, on the radials and with the new kit, cause I know I was losing some power cause I had a hole in my crossover pipe. So yeah. So as soon as I get the Camaro back, man, I'm beginning content for y'all on that. I'm gonna be hitting the dyno again. I'm gonna be cutting the food, cause it been a long time, man. Camaro been gone for 3 months now. Like, it's crazy how fast time go by. Camaro been gone for 3 months. Dolo has been gone from the house for a month. And Meech, y'all know Meech was just told 2 weeks ago, cause the motor had a mishap with the motor. Cause I see a lot of y'all missing. Y'all probably mid-episode. I know everybody got busy schedules, but if you don't know the update with Meech, go back and look at the videos. The used motor I had got from Meech, we had some gas getting the oil, so the oil wasn't properly lubricated. The bearings got hot, and boom, boom, bam, it's done. Pretty much what happened, just to summarize it up. So I pulled the motor. That was just 2 weeks ago. Pulled the motor out. I ordered a crate engine. I bought a crate engine, so it's brand new, 0 miles, all of that. Crate engine came back in a timely manner, so now the crate engine is in the car. Some of y'all probably saw the video. So that was just 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago we just blowed up. Now we back. But yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I guess I don't have nothing else to update y'all on. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I know it ain't a lot of action. It probably ain't what some of y'all want to see, but you know, it's all good. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, man. I'm getting ready for tomorrow, which is Sunday. I'm turning some wrenches on Meech, and I plan on having oil pressure. I'm not getting off of it until I have oil pressure and I hear that thing fire. So I appreciate everybody. I'm gonna catch y'all